Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Perfect competition questions get easy fast when you spot one key idea. The firm is a price taker, not a price setter, so watch this. In a perfectly competitive market, lots of firms sell identical output, so one firm has no power to choose a special price, and the market basically hands it the price. That means GaryNote can sell as many units as it wants at that market price. But if it tries charging even more, buyers instantly switch away to identical cheaper sellers. So option FN matches perfectly because it says GaryNote sells any amount at the market price and loses customers if it charges higher. Well done! Scan now. Trap, rushing toward price cut battles, or product differentiation. Rule, trust the given description and check each choice against perfect competition.